I'm Gord Duff with RM Sotheby's. I'm head of auctions, and today I'm driving one of our feature cars for our Shift Monterey sale, which is the 1964 Ferrari Lusso. This car is one of 5 that we're selling for the late Dr. Raymond Boniface from Ohio, this being one of his prized possessions that he kept up until his passing. This particular Ferrari is the 235th Lusso built out of 350, and Dr. Boniface purchased this car in 1974, and the family has owned it until its offering with us next weekend. This car is completely original aside from having one repaint at some point in its life. And another special fact about it is that it's the only car that was ever finished, the only Lusso finished in ivory with a red interior. And it's just an amazing car to drive. And for anybody that has driven an original car, they just drive completely different than anything else.